Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this one is the Shelby Cobra 427S/C. I'm really not sure what that S/C means. If you guys are aware about it, drop me in the comments. So I want to learn. Okay, I bought it for 179, and this is a Zamak edition. If you guys are asking me, see. Okay, let's first unbox and then let's talk about that. Okay. Okay, here it is. Okay, so the first of all, let me tell you outright, this is a Zamak edition. So, but they didn't mention it as Zamak edition. So I do have the Zamak edition one. I bought it as the entire pack. If you guys remember, this is exactly same casting. There's not much difference. So, but the casting looks really good, especially the exhaust here. This looks really shiny compared to that, Zamak ones, which they actually released under Zamak name. But as usual, there are no paint jobs for headlights or tail lights, and there is some paint rash kind. I don't know. You can see some rash here, right? Yeah, here's a closer look. Okay, maybe if for people who does customization on these things, this will be a really good car if you guys are asking. So the chassis is actually plastic, it is not metal if you guys are wondering, and as usual the wheels are plastic, but it looks really nice if you guys are wondering how it feels in your hands. It feels really nice, and you can actually keep it in display and it will look really nice, a little bit like this. Yeah, I know there is not much light here, but so I hope you guys get my point there. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, this rolls. Wow, this actually rolls really good. I mean, it is not fast, but it doesn't have any wheel wobble, guys. That this is the first time I'm looking at a Hot Wheels car without any wheel wobble. Wow, that is really awesome. I really wish Mattel did the same thing for every other car. Literally everyone. But apart from that, so everything looks really nice. So there are some rashes here, maybe that is common in Zamax. I'm not sure. Maybe you guys are collecting Zamak for a long time. You guys let me know. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.